Hi all. Welcome back. In this video, let's see a detailed overview of the API permissions in Canonic. By default, all the APIs that you create, or created by Canonic, are public. That means anyone who knows the API endpoints can easily read your data. Hence, we recommend creating auth tokens and changing the default permissions of your project to ensure that your APIs are secure. Let's see how you can do that. Open the project that you want to edit. Click on the settings icon on the left-hand side to open the project settings. Click on the Access Tokens tab on the left navigation. Here, you can change the default permissions by editing the default permissions field. But we recommend disabling all public access for your APIs and creating an authentication token with the permissions needed. To do so, click on the Create a New Token to open the creation pop-up. Add a name and the permissions for that token. Once you click on Create, an authentication token will be generated ready for consumption. You can use the access tokens by passing them in the header of each of your requests when accessing your APIs. The token will be validated and will only be able to access those APIs for which it has permissions. Thank you for watching.